Pad. Bakal. Ay.
Tapos sa Marilao.
Slack, align. Don't forget. Tama sa slack kapag gano'n. May talagang meron kang poste. Poste talaga. For the balance.
Magsisira.
Not all. Yan tayo. MR. Pero kanina ano?
Hindi, kasi
Ano pa?
alam mo,
One.
oh!
Woo!
Okay, one, for those engaged with safety, safety engaged. Lock and loaded. Upon audible signal, engaged. Activator first. Pepper Popper 1 is activator of swinging target 1. Dito po. Can be engaged there, can be seen there. And then, engage targets as they become visible. Alright. Through the demarcated, designated firing line.
Oh, let's go!
Any questions?
No questions,
Dito sir, pag nakikita dito, hindi pwede ha, kasi kumari, kasi with the limitations of our kahit hindi kita.
Yung
Samuel, pakiayos nga ito kasi pag may philosopher shooter, baka dito tirahin. Idikit ito, idikit. Itali lang.
Oh, yan. Yan, okay na.
O yan, okay na, okay. Sir, pag nakita dito, wag dito titirahin ha, kasi this is considered infinite.
Yeah, hardwall.
Infinite barrier. So dito lang, tatlo lang ang visible. Supposedly, tatlong board lang ang visible and one pepper popper which is the activator.
Pero activator first ka.
Mandatory activator first.
Mandatory activator first.
Okay, take note, fellow shooters, that swinger is a disappearing target. So kung mabagal ka, pumunta doon, pagdating mo doon, wala na yung swinger. Nagtago na.
Wala na.
Procedural ka na. And now it's so clear. That's it. Hawakan! Okay, are you ready? Ready. Stand by. Ay! Ayo. Sipag. Bakal. Ay! Depende sa setup eh. Two 501. So pag pumunta sa puti, na. Paano mo dadayain? Samuel, yung pagkakapintura nyo, dapat diretso. Tama, gawitan nyo ng tape para walang daya.
Yes.
Kasi kapag pumunta na rito, kumagat dito sa puti, matik no.
So, itadown mo muna.